What's going on, guys? It's Kate from Beyond the Box, back with a brand new video, and today, find out how to win an Oculus Quest 2 at the end of the video, so stay tuned and let's get on right with the video. Okay guys, you already know what we're here to talk about, so I don't want to keep you guys waiting any longer, so let's just get right into today's video and let's talk about the Oculus Quest 2. I'm really excited to show you guys because I've been playing with the other one I got to my side for the past 2 days and I've been loving it. So let's take a look at the box and let's go from there and see what's inside. So you got the Oculus Quest 2 headset itself, 2 touch controllers, 2 AA batteries, a power spacer, glasses spacer, and a charging cable. So that's really great. Basically, pretty much everything that you had in your old Oculus Quest 1 is gonna be in your Oculus Quest 2, minus the charging cable. Is not a 10-foot cord anymore, it's like 3 foot. So it's a lot smaller. You won't be able to use it with Oculus Link. You are going to need a Facebook account because this is required by Facebook to be connected to your Facebook account. On the back of the box, pretty much, it just got some games. If you want to take a look at that really quick. I'm too excited. I just want to get right into the product and the unboxing itself. So here we go, guys. It's a really kind of weird box. Really different in comparison to the Oculus Quest 1. But here we go. Yeah. So this is all that you're going to get in the box. So you got your 2 touch controllers, your headset itself, your eyeglass spacer, and a bunch of doodads in here. Now we're gonna take this box away and let's get the headset going itself. Okay, first thing you guys do when you take this out of the box is you're gonna wanna remove this piece right here, and then you're gonna wanna download the Oculus Quest app if you don't already have it, well, the Oculus app on the App Store, whichever phone you have. You definitely wanna download the app because it won't work without it. Take this piece of paper off, remove these stickers from each eye. Ooh, I love those sounds. As you guys can see, it's about 10% smaller and 10% lighter. I'm not really sure if you guys can tell based on the size in the video, but it is a whole lot smaller and a whole lot less heavy. Let's just talk about the specs really quick and then we'll get right into using the headset. So it's got 2 like 1440 displays, so it's pretty much 4K, 2K in each eye. It's not exactly full 4K, but close enough. It's not an OLED display this time. It's gonna have an LED display, which your blacks are not gonna be as black, and I've seen a few people in the Facebook pages complaining about the blacks, and I think it's a downgrade to go back to LED. Also guys, these are not the stock eye mounts on your regular Oculus Quest that you guys are gonna get. I actually bought an add-on pack directly from Oculus, which was going to give you like more like this little nose piece right here for each eye, for each individual screen, and then it's going to cover all the light coming in from beneath your nose. Okay guys, so that was pretty much my first impressions of the product, so let's just start testing it out itself. The Oculus Quest 2 definitely has better speakers, without a doubt. I've tried a lot of the options and I think the audio for the speakers are really nice on this. The screen is beautiful, guys. Like, we are in the Netflix app right now. I'm looking to my left and I see a snowy mountain. Like, I don't see a single pixel. This is nuts. It's got the best 4K displays that I've ever possibly seen, besides possibly like a Pimax or something like that. But this is fully standalone, guys. This means you're not gonna need a gaming PC. You're not gonna need to connect it to anything at all. You can use virtual desktop to play wirelessly to your PC on 90 Hertz, by the way. You can't do 90 Hertz on the Oculus Quest 1. You can only do 72. But with the Oculus Quest 2, they got an experimental mode in your settings. You can go and turn that on and you won't have a single problem. Whew, I'm getting really hot in this hoodie. I'm testing out Beat Saber right now, and I just wanna say that I honestly think that the speakers in the Oculus Quest 2 are 10 times better than what is in the Oculus Quest 1. So my opinions are gonna be a little different than yours, but the speakers are perfectly fine. You honestly don't need a Franken-Quest. You could go without having headphones, and the hand tracking is a little better in the Quest 2 because the cameras are a little wider field of view, better hand tracking as well. Let's talk about this strap really quick because a lot of you guys are not happy about it. But with that being said, I did pick up the Quest 2 Elite strap battery and carrying case. So we're gonna try that on for the first time today, and we're gonna see how that feels in comparison to the regular strap. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I didn't think I was going to like the strap at all. The strap isn't that bad. Ooh, baby. This is stronger than the other headset case. The Oculus Quest 1's case felt good, but not as good as this. Wow, this is nice. Okay, here it is. So here's your head strap. This looks like trash. This is what you're gonna plug into the front of your headset, so it's just gonna connect to the front of your USB Type-C. It kind of reminds me of the PlayStation VR head strap. Any of you guys that own the PlayStation VR probably know what I'm talking about. It reminds me a lot of the PlayStation Halo strap. But this is probably gonna be a little better because it's not gonna be pressing on the front of your forehead. I'm not exactly sure how many extra battery this is gonna give you, but it's nice to have something longer than 2 hours because I've been spending a lot longer than 2 hours when I play. So let's figure out how to get this on. You guys wanna take the piece right here and just pull it off the edge like this, and it should just fall off if we can get this out of the way so you can see. See? And now the strap is off. We disconnect the mount at the top, and we can slide that right out. Oh, you gotta take the face mount out too. I forgot to, don't forget to take the face mount out. I'm an idiot. There we go. Just pop it into place. There we go. One side's done. Side number 2. There we go. Okay. So besides the difficulty I just had at the end, installation is pretty easy. Twist to unwind and let the headset open up a little bit. Actually, don't forget the face mount this time. Plug it in. And twist and wind, and oh boy. Wow, this is comfortable. Holy crap. My forehead feels a whole lot less pressure, and I'm not really having the same weight on the front of my face as I did, like, say, last night. So if you guys want to play longer than 2 hours, this is a great option to pick up too. I definitely don't think this is a definite recommend because it is $150. You might probably be able to find a cheaper alternative in a few months from some third-party companies. But if you guys can't wait, and if you guys want a travel case really quick, then go ahead and pick it up. I'll have all the links for everything you guys have seen in the description below. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. Those are my first impressions for the Oculus Quest 2. Personally, I think it's a fantastic headset. I don't really like the LED display. I wish they would have chosen OLED display. I think the speakers are okay for what they are when you don't have any like true huge speakers. The ones inside are gonna be perfectly fine. You guys can get some other headphones if you like. They have a 3.5mm jack on one side so you can plug in some basic standard headphones. The IPD adjustment slider is okay. I'm sitting personally in between the 2 and the 3. I'm usually sticking on the 2 most of the time. I think the 2 slot is really good for me. Those are just my impressions, guys. That's just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And if you guys haven't picked up one yet, we will be giving an Oculus Quest 2 away. All you gotta do to win is make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon so you know when I post a video, so that way you know if you won or not. And once we hit 20,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be doing this giveaway. So I think 20,000 is not gonna be hard to get to because we're already around 14,000. So if we can just get like 6,000 subscribers by the end of this video, I'm pretty sure by the time we get the next video posted, we'll have 20,000 subscribers. It's not gonna be hard. So make sure you subscribe, make sure the bell icon's on, and follow me on Twitter so you know when we hit those 20,000 subscribers, because that next video will be the time that we give this headset away. So good luck to everybody, and thank you for everybody who is subscribed, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace out.